Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the honest truth behind the latest products. Today, we're checking out the Levoit LVAC-200 cordless vacuum cleaner, a model designed with convenience and performance in mind. If you're in the market for a vacuum that promises efficiency, portability, and that sweet extra runtime, then stay tuned, because we're going to take a deep dive into everything this vacuum has to offer. The Levoit LVAC-200 brings together a solid set of features that will appeal to anyone who needs a reliable, lightweight cordless vacuum. First up, let's talk about the design. At a glance, the vacuum feels compact yet substantial, built to tackle quick messes without the bulk of larger models. Weighing just under 3 pounds, it's an easy grab when you need to clean up quickly. Whether you're running over some dust on your hardwood floors or taking care of crumbs in the kitchen, its slim profile and ergonomic design make it user-friendly. But what about its performance? Let's look at the suction power. With its 2200 mAh battery, the Levoit LVAC-200 offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, which is already impressive for a cordless stick vacuum. That's more than enough to tackle a small to medium-sized home in one go. The ability to swap out the battery is a game changer, though. If you want extended cleaning time, you can add the second official Levoit battery, giving you a full 100 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. For anyone who finds themselves frequently needing to clean larger spaces or multi-room areas, this extra flexibility is a huge plus. In terms of performance, this vacuum handles a variety of floor types with ease. On carpets, it does a solid job lifting embedded dirt, even picking up pet hair, thanks to its strong suction power. On hard floors, it glides smoothly without leaving debris behind, making it an ideal pick for kitchens and entryways. The filtration system is also worth noting. It's designed with allergy sufferers in mind, filtering out small particles and dust, ensuring that the air in your home stays cleaner after each cleanup. The included dustbin is easy to remove and empty, and the generous size means you won't need to stop mid-clean to empty it. However, as with most bagless vacuums, you'll want to make sure you clean the filter regularly to maintain suction power. One feature that stands out in real-world usage is its noise level. While some vacuums can get fairly loud, the Levoit LVAC-200 stays relatively quiet, especially in lower power modes. The low noise is great for households with small children or pets who might be spooked by loud sounds. When it comes to the attachments, you'll find a crevice tool and a 2-in-1 dusting brush, perfect for getting into tight spots or cleaning upholstery. Whether you're cleaning stairs, under furniture, or the car, these tools add a lot of versatility. But what about the cons? While it's generally easy to handle and maneuver, some users might find it a bit underwhelming when it comes to deep cleaning thicker carpets. It's not a powerhouse on the deepest pile rugs, and if you have large pets, the brush roll might require more frequent cleaning to keep hair from tangling. Additionally, the battery life, while good at 50 minutes, could be a bit shorter than other models if you're using higher power settings consistently. When considering its value for money, the Levoit LVAC-200 is a strong contender in the mid-range cordless vacuum category. With the added bonus of a removable, replaceable battery, it's clear that Levoit is catering to convenience without sacrificing performance. While it may not compete with top-tier models in terms of raw suction power, it's still a great option for regular maintenance and light cleaning tasks. For those who need a second battery for longer cleans, this extra feature boosts its value. If you're someone who values flexibility and ease of use over high-end, professional-grade performance, then this vacuum provides solid value for its price. Let's briefly compare it to a few similar models in this price range. The Dyson V7, for instance, offers superior suction and a slightly longer runtime, but it comes at a much higher price point. The Shark Ion F80 is another competitor, and while it provides a good runtime and solid performance, it's a bit bulkier and doesn't offer the same level of lightweight convenience that the Levoit brings. In terms of versatility and battery flexibility, the Levoit stands out for people who need both performance and adaptability without breaking the bank. Now, looking at the build quality and longevity, the Levoit LVAC-200 feels solid in hand, The materials are sturdy without feeling cheap out, and the battery slot mechanism is secure, so you don't have to worry about it rattling loose during use. Maintenance is straightforward too. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the filters can be removed and cleaned without much hassle. The brush roll design also minimizes hair tangling, but it's still a good idea to give it a quick check every now and then, especially if you have pets. If you're considering how long this vacuum will last, it's important to note that its durability is on par with other vacuums in this category. While it's hard to predict long-term performance without extensive usage data, Levoit is known for making reliable home appliances, and the LVAC-200 follows that trend. As for customer support, Levoit has a reputation for good after-sales service. While I haven't had to contact them directly for this model, the general feedback on their customer service has been positive, with quick response times and helpful representatives. The vacuum comes with a warranty, so in case anything goes wrong, you're covered. To sum up, the Levoit LVAC-200 is a solid vacuum for those who need a lightweight, convenient model for daily cleaning. It excels in portability, runtime flexibility, and handling various floor types. While it may not be the best option for those looking for deep cleaning performance on high-pile carpets, it's a great pick for most homes, especially those with a mix of hard floors and low to medium carpet. The versatility of the removable battery is a big selling point, and the accessories provided make it adaptable to different cleaning needs. If you need something reliable, easy to maintain, and convenient for daily use, this is definitely worth considering. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Have any questions or thoughts about the Levoit LVAC-200? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time with more honest reviews on Reviews Inside TV.